Cold Talk Stocks, Big Cold Talk Stocks, and I made this video for my little potheads and people that are looking for these weed stocks. This is CGC. It's the one I follow. What we have on that is on the daily. Alright, let's take some of this stuff off because it might confuse you. Alright. First off, on the daily, I want you to notice that on the RSI, we are oversold. Alright? That means we're all the way down here on the RSI. Alright? See, we're all the way down here. Alright? We are oversold. And if you notice from in the past, when we are oversold, what do? On the daily? Oversold. Up. Oversold. Up. Oversold. Up. Oversold. Up. Okay? Does this make sense? Alright, that's if you're just looking at the RSI. Let's put this down. Oh, come on. Alright. So, come on. So I'm looking at the daily. Alright. We have a bounce here. And that was support. We held and was out of there. As you can see, we bounced from that support. Boom, gone. Alright. Now we're back at that support. We're oversold and we are making a double bottom. All right. We didn't all hit the bottom of our trend line yet, but this is what I'm also noticing. If you use the Bollinger Bands, we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. And every time we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, gone. Gone. Hold on, let me turn this, fix this. This will ruin everything. See how you hit one little button and it just on you, it'll ruin. All right. Boom. The trend line's back intact. All right. We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the daily. All right. So let's take those off. All right. Let's go to a smaller time frame. I like the hourly. All right. On the hourly, we have, or you can make the 4 hour, but we have an obvious double bottom. Okay? Obvious double bottom. And we're at the 20 EMA. That's our red line. All right? Now, the little dots now, huh? All right, so we're at the 20 EMA, and we're breaking that. All right? Now, normally, I would say, hey, wait for the neckline. And I still kind of want to say that because that is the 20 on the 4 hour. All right? But I am pretty confident that we will be bouncing because we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. We're oversold on the daily. And this is a key support that we've bounced from historically. Okay? So this is what I'm looking for on that. I am looking for 380. All right? 380. That's what I am looking for. Why? Because if we go to the left, all right, remember, that's our support. That's what we're bouncing from. But because that was a key support before. 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces, and it held. Okay? So if we're going to continue our downtrend, we should bounce off of that line. Maybe even go up to the next and test our trend line. I haven't drawn that support yet. I've only done larger time frame supports so far. But around 570. Whew, that'll be a move. That'll be a great move. 432. All right, well, first things first. Let's make it to that resistance first. All right. So that's just something, even on the 4-hour oversold. If you look at the RSI, let's go down to the 1 hour. Not too oversold on the 1 hour. All right. So what we're going to do is you could take it up to from here to 286, or you go from 286 to 297, so about $3, or you could just wait for that neckline break and we could go up to support. All right, but you got some ones you got to beat first. 350. So that move from 280 to 350 is a 25% move just about on that ticker. In options, that means you paid, bro. All right. I don't know what delta you would take. What strike expiration on that you want to take. I haven't looked at them yet, but I'd give it at least 2 weeks out for this move to a month. Yeah, so I'm pretty bullish on this ticker. The market is taking a reversal. So as long as we don't break that double bottom, all right, as long as we stay above that 270, I'm bullish. We go below that. We go below that, and I'm done with that ticker. All right, we go below that, and I'm not even paying attention to it. You're 2023. When have we been that low? Let's go check. Let's hit the weekly. And normally I do quick short videos, but I wanna do a little. What's that duck mean? Okay. So if you look, yeah, we've never been this low. Okay. $10. We have never been this low. All right. Yeah. Downtrend. Do you see that downtrend? Yeah, that's some old school, brown skin. I know you're not. So as you can see, if we go below here, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. We done. We inputs for live. All right. We inputs on CGC for live. We break that. No, but stay focused. Looking for calls here. We're pretty much oversold on the weekly too. All right, we're getting there. But we need hopefully the buyers step up here. They've done it before. Back in what was this? March. Okay. So let's see. But I am bullish on this ticker. I am with calls. Yes, sir. Calls. All right. Calls. Where we at on the Bollinger Bands on the weekly? I'm curious. We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands on the weekly too. So, yeah, calls. I like calls. Calls on CGC. That's an update on y'all pot stocks for y'all potheads and y'all non-potheads who just like to invest in legal drugs. Big Kotak stocks. CGC, baby.